Cassandra, and welcome to Bookworm Delectables, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we'll be making pumpkin spice sugar cookies, and this version of sugar cookies is a variation of my mother's sugar cookies. I am very proud to say, so I hope you'll enjoy them. So, let's get started. To start out, I'm going to sift 4.5 cups of flour into this bowl. And to that, I'm going to add the 2.5 teaspoons of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which I'm going to sift in it. And I'm also going to sift in it the 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Messy baker, and surprise, surprise, look it! More flour just appeared. Isn't it magic? Now I just need a little bit more flour and I'm all done, except for, of course, the rest of and it'll be all sifted nicely together, and then it'll be on to the next thing. Let's get it all sifted in this old sifter. Isn't YouTube magic wonderful? Okay, to this mixer, we're going to add the 1 cup of butter, which I have here. Get it in there. We're also going to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. And the 2 eggs. Here's a good look at what's inside the bowl. Just bring this down, lock it and load it, and mix it up. Until light and fluffy. To this, we also need to add the pumpkin extract and the vanilla extract. Add that to the pumpkin extract. Just add it all in together. Here we go, add the extracts. And mix a little more. And you must know what time it is now. It's like, what time is it? Why, it's time to combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. That's the only way to get great cookies. I know, so let's get it started. I got it going. A little bit here, a little bit there. That's the way to get a good cookie. That's the way the cookie crumbles. So we'll have to get the spatula out. Okay, this would have started so much better had I been able to get the bowl off of the mixer. Yes, I'm a weakling. Yes, must be proven I'm a weakling. But you get your dough off your bowl or your mixer. You prove better than me and you get it off. You wrap it in a disc and you put it in the refrigerator and you refrigerate it. Well, as my mother's old-fashioned sugar cookies go, you're supposed to refrigerate it overnight, and I'm assuming that's how you get the best sugar cookies. Since I know that most people, they go for a minimum of 2 hours. But we'll see you tomorrow, or until the next scene anyway. You have to know anyway. My mother's sugar cookies, they're the best. Of course, as things go, your mother's sugar cookies are probably the best. But I'll see you in the next scene when we go to baking the sugar cookies. Here's the next scene. So, here I have a rolling pin and, of course, one of the discs, because today is supposed to be the next day. But before we do this, let's turn on the oven. Oh, by the way, you'll find the directions down below in the description box if you haven't already looked. So, go down there and look. You'll find it, you'll find the directions down below. So, let's get on with the show. Here's the oven. We're going to preheat this. To 400 degrees. There we go. Let's get that started. Put some flour on the rolling pin. Now, I want to roll this out to 1/8 inch thickness. Okay, so once you're rolled out, like I'm rolled out right now, you want to get your cookie cutter and dip it in the flour. And cut. See, I have a whole bunch of pumpkins for pumpkin spice. It's never too late for pumpkins. And put them in the oven for between 9 and 12 minutes until they're lightly browned. Actually, I'm going to decorate mine with sanding sugar. I'll see you when these are done. Here, let's put on the sanding sugar. There's the oven. Time to put them in. And I'm back. Here is the final take. The final take with the beautiful pumpkin spice cookies. And they smell so pumpkin-y. If only we had pumpkin vision, you know, like a Wonka vision. They're so pumpkin-y. If only you could taste them. If you like this video, please like below. I really hope you like this video. These cookies are the best. And please subscribe, because, you know, I really appreciate my viewers, and I'm really happy if you got this far to the end. As I said before, you can find the recipe in the description box below, based on my mother's sugar cookie recipe, with some revisions from me. If you love pumpkin spice, you'll love this recipe. Trust me. I can tell you that. And all I can say is, please subscribe, and I hope you come back. Please like, and bye-bye.